As the world rallies together to combat coronavirus and people are staying at home to isolate, we're here with Chef Reif at his Japanese restaurant Kushiyaki, where he's going to cook the quintessential quarantine dish. So Chef, what's on the menu?
So we're going to do a Wagyu Sando, which is one of the signature dish in my restaurant. So here we have a Japanese Wagyu. So we're going to coat it with flour, a bit of egg wash, and breadcrumb. So now we're going to put it in the fryer, right?
So Chef, everyone has their own way of cooking the perfect steak.
Yeah.
What is the best way to cook a steak?
For me, medium rare, for me. Yeah, that's where you taste the meat quality, you know what I mean? How about you?
Blue, actually.
Right, okay. Yeah, well, here we go.
How long do you actually leave it in there for?
Gonna cook that about 2-3 minutes. Temperature is about 165 to 175. You need to feel, because it's not like grilling the meat on a griller, whereas it's in deep fry. So you have to be,
This is where your experience comes
Yeah, exactly.
in.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's quite the perfect dish for quarantine when you just immediately want something nice to eat.
It's simple, easy. No hassle. You don't have to cut vegetables. Nothing. Yeah, straightforward.
That looks tasty.
Yeah.
For a person that's engrossed in food,
Yeah.
do you find now on social media that people are now becoming home chefs with all this extra time?
Yeah, 100%. Everybody's on Instagram showing you what they're cooking.
Yeah.
I think it's fun to see though.
Okay, Chef, what's the next step then?
So next, you got another piece of Wagyu, same cut. We're just gonna brush a little bit with a Wagyu fat, right? And just sear on the one side. Have a little bit of fun, you know what I mean? Yeah, we can use butter if you can get it back home.
Whatever's available in the kitchen.
Exactly.
You obviously do delivery here.
Yes.
How has that business been since the lockdown?
I will be lying that we are doing great, but of course business dropped a lot, tremendously. But so far has been very good. Yeah, very good, very good. We're in a good position.
You're keeping afloat.
Yes.
Looks like we're coming to the final stages here.
Yeah, coming together.
How do you think the coronavirus has affected your restaurant and even the wider food industry?
What is that? I will be lying, if we are doing very good, but we are surviving. We're doing okay, and yeah, with the takeout, we are doing pretty good, I would say. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
So people are still ordering food just as much as they were before?
Yes, 100%. I mean, any business you have to go for it. You know what I mean? Yeah, you have to go for it. Right. So we have tonkatsu sauce that you can get in the supermarket, and then here we have a Dijon mustard and just mayo mix, half and half.
Simple.
Done. Yeah, simple. And here we have a sweet chili sauce that we have just to marinate on the beef.
The combination of flavors you have here, what makes them work?
Mustard. Everybody loves mustard, and mustard will never go wrong with beef.
Okay.
Right. And tonkatsu sauce is a bit of a nice balance of umami, of sour and sweet and salty. So as you can see, it's all balancing up. It's not too sweet, not
Correct.
too sour, you know what I mean? So we're done. And here we go. Here we have our Wagyu Sando.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Now for the taste test.
Yeah. Dig in.
Keep in mind, I have been cooking for myself for the past 5 weeks in lockdown, so
I'm sure you like it.
nice work, Chef.
Thank you.
It's the best meal I've had since lockdown by far.